Hello. Welcome. Learn 50 daily common sentences in English in 7 minutes. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. I brush my teeth after waking up. I take a shower in the morning. I get dressed for work. I have breakfast before leaving home. I drink coffee in the morning. I pack my lunch for work. I drive to work. I start work at 9 a.m. I check my emails first thing at work. I attend meetings at work. I work on projects during the day. I take a break for lunch. I eat my packed lunch at my desk. I go for a walk during my lunch break. I run errands during my lunch break. I make phone calls in the afternoon. I reply to emails in the afternoon. I leave work at 5 p.m. I drive home from work. I change into comfortable clothes when I get home. I help with household chores. I cook dinner in the evening. I set the table for dinner. I eat dinner with my family. I clean up after dinner. I watch TV in the evening. I read a book in the evening. I take a bath before bed. I get ready for bed around 10 p.m. I wake up early on weekends. I sleep in on weekends. I make breakfast on weekends. I go for a run on weekends. I exercise at the gym on weekends. I do yard work on weekends. I run errands on weekends. I go grocery shopping on weekends. I clean the house on weekends. I relax and do nothing on weekends. I wake up and get ready for school. I eat breakfast before going to school. I pack my backpack for school. I walk to school. I take the bus to school. I attend classes at school. I have lunch at school. I do homework after school. I play sports after school. I come home from school in the afternoon.